These 3 ads were created in just a few minutes using AI. No photographer, no graphic designer, and no spending hours throwing everything together in Canva. I found all of these winning concepts directly inside an ad spy tool, rebuilt them around my own product, came up with the prompts, and then generated all of the ads directly inside of ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process from finding a winning ad concept to recreating the entire thing and launching it for your own brand. Because a lot of people think you need a completely original idea every time you go to make an ad, but you really don't. The best brands are consistently studying what's already working, identifying the psychology behind it, and applying that concept to a different product, audience, or angle. And that's not the same as downloading somebody's ad, changing the logo, and calling it yours like so many people are already doing. The goal is to reverse engineer the entire strategy. Why did this image stop the scroll? What customer is it speaking to? What promise is it making? What proof makes that promise believable? And how can we communicate the same type of idea in a way that is original to our own brand? Static image ads are perfect for this because they're fast to create and even faster to test. You can take one product image, build multiple hooks, offers, and visual angles around it, and then let the data tell you which message deserves more investment. So today, I'm going to show you the exact process I used to create winning image ads for all of my own brands. So let's get right into it. All right, so I'm going to start by logging into my ad spy tool, and we're going to find what ad concepts are already working for other brands right now. So to do this, I'm going to log into Zik Analytics. I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side to their ad spy tool, and I will leave a link for this down below in case you guys want to follow along. But this is going to show you all the top performing ads that are running on Facebook right now for other brands. Since we're creating static image ads for this video specifically, we're going to go ahead and select the media as image only. You guys can fill in any of this additional criteria if you want to, or look up certain keywords for your actual product, offer, problem, or audience. But for now, I just want to find the top image ads that are working for other brands. So I'm going to go ahead and click search. So right here, it's going to show you all of these top performing ads by their actual creation date. Instead, we can sort this by ad duration, and it's going to show us all of these ads that have been running the longest. So you guys can see right here when each one of these ads were launched. These ones we're taking a look at were launched over 3 years ago and they're still running. So that's a really good sign because these brands wouldn't be investing month after month if these ads weren't working for them. So that's how you know that all of these right here are clear winners. Now you're gonna see a bunch of different ads. You're gonna see the product focused ads, customer focused ads. You're gonna see ads that are focused on the actual offer, ads that are focused comparing themselves to competitors or similar products. You have lifestyle ads showing the product in action. You got product hero shot ads showing the simple product right here. You have before and after ads showing the results of using your product before and after. More lifestyle ads, product hero shot ads. You have social proof ads that make it look like your product's actually going viral organically. So many different ad concepts that you guys can choose from when you go to recreate these for your own products. And looking at all of these, if you guys need over 10 seconds to understand a static ad, it's already failed. So out of all of these ads on here, I'm finding 3 different concepts that keep coming up again and again that are worth rebuilding. Concept number 1 is your problem solution concept. Concept number 2 is review or social proof. And concept number 3 is your product hero plus offer. So I'm gonna scroll through all of these until I find a few examples for each concept. And then we can go ahead and recreate them for our own products. All right, so right away for the problem solution format, I just found this trending ad right here. It says, don't buy this toothbrush if you enjoy living with gum pain. So it's a bold, attention-grabbing headline that says, don't buy our product. And then in fine print, it gives the benefit right there that it solves gum pain. This is a nice, clever way to position your product. That way it grabs attention and shows exactly what it does. Now I found a few different examples in this problem solution format because this is one of the ones that I actually like the best. This is one that I use time and time again for all of my own brands. I find that problem solution static ads usually convert the best. So this one right here, 20 years of pain, gone in 1 week. It's a high quality product visual, a very strong headline. You have the social proof down here with a star rating and the reviews. So another really good problem solution ad. Moving on to another problem solution ad before we talk about the next concept. So we have these dog seat protectors right here. It's this hammock. This is a winning product that's been featured many times in the past. It's obviously very saturated by now, but it says muddy paws ruined my seats. Then it goes from muddy ruined seats to protected and clean on this side. Shows the before, the after, and the product centralized right here. Another really strong ad. All right, so for our next ad concept, the offer-led one right here, This one does a really good job at that. So it shows the product, all the features and benefits, a high quality demonstration, and then they have their offer right up here at the top. Get an extra 15% off. That offer could definitely be a little bit stronger, but it's obviously working very well for them. Because as you guys can see right here, this ad's been running for over 2 years now. So that's all you have to do is make something clean, high converting like this, and you can run it for years to come. And then our last ad concept, the social proof concept. Right here, we have a high quality customer avatar in a big city right here. The exact kind of people that they're targeting. It says, I own 47 bracelets, I wear one. So it's positioning their bracelet right here as the premium only bracelet you're ever gonna wear. So this jewelry brand does a really good job at this. So now I wanna go through one at a time and recreate each ad concept around our own products instead. Starting with the problem solution format. I'm gonna find just one that I wanna recreate. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this ad concept right here for our problem solution format. I like this one specifically. It's attention grabbing, unique, and calls out the exact customer you're looking for, people with gum pain. So I'm gonna go ahead and recreate that exact same ad around this product instead. It's like this neck stretcher for neck pain, like you can see right here, which is a perfect product for a problem solution format. So go ahead and download as many product images as you can right off of AliExpress or whatever supplier you're working with. Then let's go back to our original ad right here and go ahead and take a screenshot. Now I'm gonna use Claude for this first step because what I find personally is that Claude is much better at analyzing and organizing your data and coming up with actual concepts, and ChatGPT is much better for generating everything or giving you the final output. So I'll go ahead and upload our product image as well as that original ad into Claude, and I'll say I want to recreate this same ad concept, problem solution, that calls out the audience in a direct, clever, and funny way around my product instead. Plug in any additional details, exactly what you're looking for, and let's see what Claude comes up with. So then Claude's gonna come up with a high quality detailed prompt like you can see right here. Just go ahead and copy this entire thing. Then we're gonna open up ChatGPT, go ahead and paste in both images right there, the original product image as well as our original ad, your new prompt right from Claude, and let's see what it comes up with. And here's our version instead. Look how good this looks. It says, don't buy this neck roller if you enjoy having a sore, painful neck 24/7. Then it's got some supporting benefits down here. Eases neck tension, soothing heat therapy, deep point massage. And this is our first generation. Usually I have to regenerate these a few times until I have something that I really like, but I like this one right away. This turned out amazing the first try. So it calls out your direct target audience right here, draws their attention by saying, don't buy this. Then it gives you the actual features and benefits right here, that it solves your neck pain. Then more information about what they're actually gonna get out of this down here. If anybody scrolling Facebook has frequent neck pain and sees this ad right here, this is definitely gonna get them on your website. So already right away, we have a really strong problem solution ad. Next, we're gonna go ahead and create our offer-led product hero image. So I'll go back to this original ad right here, go ahead and take a screenshot. So I'll move back to Claude, paste in that exact same ad we're recreating, and then say same thing here, but for an offer-led product hero image instead, please. Go ahead and enter that, and let's get our new prompt from Claude. So Claude went ahead and redesigned this with our own product and all of our features and benefits instead. We'll copy all of this, then paste it into ChatGPT one more time with the exact ad we want to recreate and our hero product image right here. Let's send the prompt and see what it comes up with this time. Wow, and take a look at what it came up with right here. I can't get over how good this looks. It's got a high quality hero shot of our product right here, and this was taken right off of AliExpress. It was literally a simple blank white background photo with a ton of text. Yet it made this premium hero shot that looks insanely high quality. It looks like I paid thousands of dollars for this ad. Then it reused the same offer from the concept that we were originally using, the extra 15% off. Like I already mentioned, I'd make this a little bit stronger. You could say something like an extra 25% off, free shipping, and a free ebook if you order today. But then it has all of the additional features and benefits pointing right to the product. Relieves neck pain, deep tissue relief, improves sleep quality, reduces stress. This is another perfect image ad on try number 1. I usually never get this lucky. Now let's create this one more time with our social proof concept instead. So we'll go back to Claude, upload our screenshot, our product image again, and I'll say same thing again, but for a social proof led concept instead now, please. Let Claude think this request through and come up with another high quality prompt to use. So there it is right there. Let's go ahead and copy all of this, paste it into ChatGPT one more time with our original ad concept, our product image, and our new prompt right from Claude. Let's send it and see our final image ad. And here's our final generation, although there's only one issue here. It doesn't demonstrate our product reliably. This is an actual neck roller, something you have to kind of lay down on, and they're positioning it as something that you wrap around your neck instead. So AI got this product completely wrong. We finally ran into our first issue here, but it copied the same social proof concept from the original ad that we pasted in there. So like the last one said, I own 47 bracelets, I wear one. This one specifically says, I have tried 6 neck massagers. This is the only one I keep using. So this directly addresses the pain point to your potential buyers, and maybe they've tested a few themselves and never had good results. So this solves all of their problems instantly and gets them to come back to your website and complete their purchase. So this is the first ad that we actually have to go back and revise. So I'll say something like only one issue. I'll say it's a neck roller. It doesn't actually wrap around the user's neck like it's shown in this ad. Please fix. Now, usually I'll go ahead and change my entire prompt and come back with something completely new. I don't like making a million edits to these ads, but for now, let's see if it can go ahead and fix our problem with just one simple prompt like this. All right, so this one looks a little bit better. Same headline. I've tried 6 neck massagers. This is the only one I keep using. I actually like the text on this one a little bit better. Same with all the colors, showing her on the couch using it, that you can use this product anywhere. I'm not sure where it came up with the brand Kimoko, but we have our brand name in the corner up there. This is a really high quality social proof ad that can also fit as a lifestyle image because it's showing her using it in her living room, getting instant pain relief, the exact solution that these customers are looking for. So each one of these ads that we just created uses the same concepts as the ones that are already converting for other brands. But this time we're just using our own product instead. And this works for any product you want to sell. Any pain relief product, tech product, supplement, print-on-demand product, dropshipping product, literally anything. So now all 3 concepts are ready for the final review. Starting with our problem solution. This is the strongest cold audience concept because it does not depend on brand awareness. The customer sees a familiar frustration, understands the desired outcome, and can identify the product as the bridge between them. Now, the reason this works is because the problem is visually recognizable. There's one clear promise, the contrast creates an instant story, the product is connected to the solution, and the headline supports the visual instead of repeating everything. Now, here's what you actually want to watch when you go to test this. If the click-through rate is low, the problem or headline may not be specific enough. If the clicks are strong but purchases are weak, the ad may be creating curiosity without enough belief, or the landing page may not continue the same promise. Now, the social proof concept. This is the strongest credibility concept. Instead of the brand saying this product is great, the ad lets a real customer outcome carry the message. And the reason this works is because the lifestyle image helps the viewer see themselves using the product. Now, here's what you want to watch when you're testing this one. If people engage but don't click, the review might be relatable without creating enough curiosity. Test a more specific quote, a different customer segment, or a cleaner call to action. Now, the offer-led product hero image. This is the strongest conversion-focused concept for a warmer audience. It's direct. Here's the product, here's the main benefit, here's the offer, and here's what to do next. Now, the reason this works is because the product is unmistakable. The hierarchy is clean, the offer is easy to understand, there's almost no cognitive load. Now, here's what you want to watch when you're testing this one specifically. If the offer gets clicks but conversion is poor, confirm the same price, discount, and urgency appear immediately on your landing page. The ad in your product page should feel like one continuous experience. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind here is that AI didn't create this strategy. It just executed on it. The reason these ads are usable is that we first found patterns worth studying, selected 3 different angles, controlled the exact message, and gave ChatGPT a strong product reference. If you just say, make me a viral ad, you're depending on the image generator to be your researcher, analyst, copywriter, and designer. And that's when you get generic AI creatives, or AI slop. You want to use AI for speed, but come up with all these ideas yourself. So that's the entire process. You want to find ads that have already earned attention, then reverse engineer the concept instead of copying the design, turn the strategy into a detailed prompt, upload a clean product reference, generate and refine inside of ChatGPT, and then test reasons to buy. Static image ads don't need to be complicated. You just need one product, one audience, one angle, one clear promise, one reason to believe, and one next step. And if you want to try Zix's Ad Spy tool for your own product research, I'll leave a link for that down below. I'll also include the prompts I used in this video so you can customize them around your own products and offers instead. Leave a comment down below which of these image ad concepts you would test first. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of additional resources linked down below for you guys, like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.